Hi, my name is Devi. I am from Vijayawada. I completed my B.TECH graduation in PSCMR College under Computer Science stream. I have joined in Qspiders in the month of February, and I have took a software testing course. There I have learned the skills called manual testing, SQL, Core Java, and here I have in Qspiders the trainers are helped very well to get job. Especially Manjunath sir helped me a lot to get confidence in myself. He teaches Java very well with the real-time examples, and Hemant sir also taught manual testing in such a way where we can apply the knowledge in order to get job. And Kaushik sir also teaches the topic in a very depth from the basic level to advanced level, and it helped me very lot to get job.